welcome to my channel. I am your Dayanand Bongale. My dear friends, generally FIIs, DIIs, HNIs, investment funds, hedge funds carry on two types of transactions. That is, one is block deal, the second one is bulk deal. So you must be wondering, what is this block deal and what is this bulk deal? My dear friends, today let us learn what are these. Block deal is a transaction entered by these big players between the block timing window provided by the exchanges. Generally, block timings are provided between 8:45 in the morning till 9 o'clock in the evening. That is a 15 minutes of time period is given, wherein they can buy and sell the shares only in the cash market. So, if the total value of the shares exceeds 10 crores or the total number of shares traded exceeds more than 5 lakhs, it's called as the block deal. These block deal data has to be provided by the brokers like Zerodha, 5 Paisa, Angel One, Upstock, etc. to the exchanges. Now, the question is, what is this bulk deal is? My dear friends, bulk deal doesn't have a block window as such. This is our normal trading hours, like 9:15 in the morning till 3:30. Anytime if the total number of shares traded exceeds 0.5% of the total number of shares, it is called as the bulk deal. Friends, these data again has to be provided by the brokers to the exchanges, but the difference here is, in the bulk deal, the data is easily available to the retailers, whereas in the block deal, the volume data is not available to the retailers. This data is very important for a trader or an investor to take the future anticipations. Example, if there is a huge bulk deal or a block deal, we can easily analyze that some big people have got the interest in that particular stock. We can also identify or analyze the trend of the market. We can also anticipate the future price of the market. So we all know that what is the difference between the block deal and the bulk deal. I would like to repeat again, the block deal means number of shares traded exceeds 5 lakhs or the total value exceeds 10 crore, whichever is the lower. In case of bulk deal, it is the number of shares traded exceeds 0.5% of the total number of shares. Bulk deal has no separate timings, whereas the block deals have got the separate timings. That is, in the morning, it is 8:45 to 9 o'clock. So we got to know the difference between the both. So now it is time to see where can we find these data on the website. So we are getting into www.nscindia.com. When we get into the nscindia.com, we get to see home, about, market data. In the market data, again 3 tabs are opened here, 3 categories here. So in this get market data, go to the daily market reports. Once we go into the daily market reports, we can see on the down here historical reports. Click on this historical reports. We can see this bulk, block deals or short selling archives. Just click on this. We get to see this particular window. Here, if we want to see the bulk deals or the block deals, we can have the option to choose. We are choosing the bulk deals, for example, bulk deals, and we are typing the timings here. We have a customized format also. I am taking September 1st to 13th of September 2023. I am clicking on go. Once we click on this, we get to see the details of the companies which went through the bulk deals. And if you want to see the block deals, you just choose the block deals here and go to the customs, choose the date from to, then go on click, you will get to see the details. My dear friends, there is also an option called download the XLS file. So In the Excel format, we can see the data here. Friends, you can download my app CA Dayanand Bongale in the Play Store or iOS, wherein I have explained all the basics of the stock market, fundamentals, candlesticks analysis, basics of the futures, options, and the special one is the Chanakya analysis to understand the support and the resistance, and 20 plus hedging strategies also I have explained. You can make use of it and be a successful trader or investor. So with this, we got to know the difference between the block deal and the bulk deal in detail, and also how to check the block and the bulk deals in the NSE website. Friends, I hope this video was of use to you. In the coming days, I will be coming up with more number of educational and informative videos. Till then, like my videos, share it and subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much.